So it is the example of bent plate. So in this way we will do detailing of bent plate. So it is front view, it is top view, these are the sectional views, okay, and these are the single parts and these are the angles, okay. This is the L angle over this W section, okay. So first what we will do is, first we will give this overall dimension, okay, and after giving overall dimension we will give this RD, okay, running dimension with respect to horizontal dimension. First I will click here and then I'll give this RD and then I will give this RD. So these are the two different plates we have, and after that I will log this whole, and after that I log this whole and I will give this vertical dimensions and all. So after giving that, next step I will do, what I will do is I will give this weld mark. So since these are two connected at the web portion, what I will do is this is the butt height. So these are the different settings. See, for the butt weld we don't have any size. See, for fillet we have 3/16 size, but for butt weld we don't have any size. And here we will take the symbol. You just observe the symbol, okay, and if you just click and just observe the symbol, angle will keep 0, everything 0, and no stitch weld, nothing. So in this way I will do this butt weld. After that, after completion of this, next step I will go for sections. See, before taking sections, always you double click on this blue line and you keep apply and OK, so that our settings, what is here a, so that the settings will get correct settings, okay, and then you take the sections at A, B, C, D, E and F, and then we get these sectional views, and you just arrange these sectional views. See, after getting these sectional views, one thing you must keep in mind, we have, see, this L angle now from A to D is one member and from E to G is one member, this L angle. So for this L I will go for stitch weld, okay, fillet stitch weld, okay, double click on this. So you can just keep here stitch weld S. So the, see, since it is angle, continuous weld is not required, so therefore I go for a stitch weld, okay. So keep stitch weld S. So in this way I'll go for stitch weld, and these are the different so these are the different weld, fillet weld, I'll go for it. So in this way we'll do detailing in this way. So since it is another member, so here not required. See, here angle not required because it is the same angle. See, P 1120, it is the same angle. From here the angle changes, so from here we must give this weld symbol and all, and these are the details of part mark and all. I think this is everything, everyone knows it. And this is the detail section view of the angle. So how to take these sections, everything I did in another video. So since it is very bigger in size, I also said to take this cut pocket. So double click on this, you go to view, and in view you go for shortening. See, it is somewhat bigger in size now, so if you want to accommodate all these things, you must do a few settings in cut part length, so that everything fits here. uh, so in this way we'll do it. And at the top view, and in the top view also we just give the RD, we do cut at bottom flange, and we give the center distance, we will of the orientation mark and all. And here we give butt height. So here we give butt height. Since why we give butt height is, here fillet weld is not required. See, why we go for butt weld means, here everything is get touched with the web and the flange, everything is get in tight, so that we go for butt weld, okay, and butt tight. So in this way we do the, so in this way we do the detailing of this bent plate, okay. So everything is same, only thing we learn here is to give the different section view, how to take angles and all this thing. This is the new thing we learn in this. Everything similar, and here new thing what we get is this butt height. So everything looks similar to previous methods.